2019 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, heated front seats, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.